Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Eddie Sedani, and I am the Partnerships Lead here at Sponsor Pulse. I'd like to take you through a mini tutorial today on how a brand could best leverage the Sponsor Pulse platform to identify some new areas of opportunity, possibly expanding that sponsorship portfolio and looking to connect with audiences in a market where they might not have a strong presence just yet. Now, we're not going to cover all of the features and capabilities of Sponsor Pulse today, just for the sake of time. So if you do have any questions about the methodologies, the metrics, the definitions, you can find that information in some of our other tutorials or on our website. And of course, if you want to reach out to any of us, you're more than welcome to connect with myself or our team members, as we're always happy to assist and help where we can. So for the sake of today's case study, let's go ahead and assume that we are an automotive brand looking to expand our presence in the market of California. You know what? We'll go ahead and imagine that we are Ford Motor Company. So Ford Motor Company looking to expand our presence in California through sponsorship. Now, the first thing we're going to do is select compare properties. Now, Sponsor Pulse will automatically default to the geography that you have set. In my case, it's Canada. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to change that. So we don't want the Canadian market. We're going to drop down from the USA, West region, and we want specifically California. So right now we're looking at the strongest areas of opportunity in the state of California across the general population. Again, we're going to use the filters tab just to get a little more specific in our search. So we'll go to category purchasers, and I think it makes sense to drop down automotive and also select purchase or lease a vehicle. So now we're looking at the strongest areas of opportunity in the state of California amongst consumers who are interested in purchasing or leasing a vehicle. Now again, being Ford Motor Company, this information is very, very useful, very insightful. Start to identify, okay, which properties do we stand to benefit most from if we embark on a partnership with them? But maybe we've decided that we specifically want to partner with a sport property. We want to connect with the California residents through their passion of sport and sport teams. So we'll go back to the filters tab, click on properties, and we want to select specifically sport and sport teams. And we want to also filter by engagement. And there we have it. So now we are looking at the properties that receive the highest levels of engagement in the state of California amongst residents who are interested in purchasing or leasing a vehicle. And you see, as Ford Motor Company, certainly great insight here. We can take that, leverage it, and discuss on the different areas that we'd like to consider a partnership with and the reasons why. Now, we don't only have to stay at the category of purchase or lease a new vehicle. You can also look at specific Ford customers. So what we'll do is we'll use the filters tab, and instead of going under category purchasers, we're going to go specifically by brand usage, automotive, and we'll select on Ford. And same thing, we're looking at the strongest areas of opportunity in California amongst Ford customers. And we'll also select consideration. Now, again, consideration is defined as the percentage of those engaged who are likely to convert and become customers of a brand because of its association with a property. So at the top, we have the NFL, the NBA, and then not too far behind, we have the Lakers, MLB, Dodgers, so on and so forth. So as Ford Motor Company, we're looking to expand our presence in the market of California through the passion of sport. At the few clicks of a button, you can see that we draw out some very interesting information and some valuable insight that will benefit us greatly and help inform that decision-making process. And of course, if you have any questions about the tutorial or anything else related to Sponsor Pulse or sponsorship marketing, feel free to reach out to myself or any of my colleagues. Otherwise, I hope that this video was useful to you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.